Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. Okay, now today I will teach you English subject. In previous video we have already learned small alphabets A to T. Okay, see. So all students look on the board. Firstly we are doing only oral work. Only oral work. Look here. Okay, don't write. Come on, speak. A, B, speak with me. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So, S, T, T after which letter come? Yes, U. So today I will teach you how to write U. Look here. This is a capital U. Which letter? Capital U. And C. Small U. This is a small U. Okay. Now I request all parents draw lines and write first line according to PDF in your child notebook. Okay. Now children, take your English notebook and take your pencil. Okay. Ready for writing? Very good. So first look carefully, then after you write. Okay. Come on. Look on the board. This is a small U. So how to write in? Line. So look here, write in blue line. Which line? Blue line. Very good. So put your pencil on blue line and start standing line. Okay, then draw curve. Draw continuously upside. Draw continuously downside. Okay, like this. This is a small U. Okay, complete. Have you written? Very good. Now once more, look here carefully. Start from which line? Yes, blue line. First row standing line. Okay, then row continuously like this. Upside. Then downside like this. Okay. Understood how to write small U? Write in properly. Blue line. Okay. Which line you write? Blue line. U sound is A. Come on, speak with me. U sound is A. U sound is A. Okay. Look here. Standing line, draw curve, continuously upside, downside. This is a small U. Which letter is this? Small U. Okay. So you speak and write U for aunt, U for umbrella, U for utensil, U for uniform, U for empire. Okay. Complete, children? Okay, very good. Now look here once again. Which line first draw? Yes, standing line. Then draw continuously like this. Up to down. This is a small U. Okay, understood? How to write small U? Okay. Now children, U after which letter come? Yes, very good. V. Which letter come? V. This is a capital V. And this one is small v. V sound is V. V sound is V. Okay? Both are same. Look here. But write in different line. Okay? Okay, so look here how to write small v. We also write in blue line. Which line? Blue line. Okay? Slant line down to up. here small v. Okay. Start from blue line to draw slant line, up to down, down to up. Understood? Complete? Very good. Once again look here. Put your pencil, blue line, draw slant line, up to down, down to up. Small v. Which letter is this? Small v. So understood how to write small v? Proper line. V for van, V for vase. Okay. So speak and write. This is very easy letter. Complete, children. Up to down. Which line draw? Slant line. Up to down, down to up. Okay, so understood how to write U and V. Now I will teach you next letter. Now V after W. See, capital W, so small w. This is a capital, this is a small. Okay, so both are same but write in different line. This one is capital W writing 3 line and this small writing blue line. Okay, so ready everybody? Okay, so look here. Start from blue line. Okay, first draw slant line up to down. Complete. Have you draw? Very good. Then draw another slant line up to down. Up to down. Okay. Then again draw slant line up to down. Now draw another slant line down to up. This is a once again. Start from blue line. Okay. Slant line. Which line draw? Slant line. 4 times. Okay. How to draw? Look here. Put your pencil. Blue line up to down. Slant line. Then down to up. Now again draw slant line up to down and down to up. Okay, understood how to write W? W sound is V, V sound is V and W sound is V. Both are same sound. Okay. W for watch, W for ball, W for van. Okay. This is very easy letter. Using slant line. Okay. Up to down, down to up to down, down to up. Understood? Children, speak and write. Okay. This is a small w. Okay. So understood how to write. Okay. Now W after which letter come? Yes, X. Which letter come? But write in different line. Write X. See, this is a capital X and this one is small x. Okay, both are same but writing different line. Capital X writing 3 line. Red to blue. Then small x writing blue line. Okay. X sound is X. Come and speak with me. X sound is X. X sound is X. Okay. So how to write in line? Look here. Then after you write, put your pencil on blue line and draw slant line up to down. Now another slant line up to down. Okay. So this one is small x. Which letter is this? Small x. Okay. You also write down. Come on. Look here. Up to down slant line. Draw another slant line like this. Okay. Which letter is this? Small x. Okay. So understood how to write small x in proper line. Very good. Slant line. Draw another slant line up to down. Okay. Very easy letter this one is. Okay. Fine. So speak and write. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Okay. क्रिसमस में एक्समस ट्री डेकोरेट करते हैं ना, तो अब दिसंबर में आएगा क्रिसमस, तो एक्स फॉर एक्समस ट्री को अंडरस्टूड. W and X how to write. Okay children, next letter in next video I will teach you. Okay, thank you, bye.